All right. So who's going to tell me what is the meaning of means of transport? Yes, Cheshta first.
Ma'am, vehicles.
Turn your mic on, Cheshta.
Vehicles.
Okay, so means of transport means vehicles. And what is the meaning of transportation? Yes, Gaurika.
Transportation means to carry people from one place to another.
Very good. To carry people or things from one place to another. So whenever there is a movement of a person or of an animal or of a thing using a vehicle, that is called transportation. The correct pronunciation of vehicle is vehicle, right? Okay, now Vanshika wants to say something. Yes, Vanshika, please carry on. Yes, Vanshika.
Ma'am, to go from one place to another.
Okay, to go from one place to another, that is called transportation or to travel, right? Okay, so can you please write some of the name of vehicles which are used? Please write the names of vehicles in the chat box. Which all vehicles do we use to travel? Okay, so we have trains, bikes, rickshaw, ship, aeroplane, bus, car, train, van, jeep. Right, so many vehicles are available for us. Now we can categorize all these vehicles into different means of transport. That is, we have three main categories: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Okay, whichever vehicle you carry on with, whichever vehicle you take up, that can be categorized under any of these three headings. That is land transport, water transport, and air transport. We have three kinds of transportations. Okay, so if I talk about bus, then bus is a means of land transport. If I talk about aeroplane or helicopter, they are means of air transport. And if I talk about ship or a boat, they are means of water transport. So we can travel from one place to another using any of these three kind of transports. Okay, so today I sent a composition about a bus. So let us just discuss that composition. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so here you can see a bus and some hints have been given to you here. Hints are introduction, carries passengers, land, water, and air transport, comfortable seats, useful, safe, etc. Okay, so introduction means you have to write something about transportation. So as in this case, I have written, there are many means of transport nowadays. Nowadays means आजकल. जब आपको ये word use करना है आजकल, that means nowadays. Okay, so there are many means of transport nowadays. आजकल बहुत सारे means of transport हमें available होते हैं. Okay. But one of them, bus is one of them, and it is means of land transport. और बस उनमें से एक है, और ये कौन सा means of transport है? It is a means of land transport. So the second line can be used with any of the means of transport. इसको आप किसी भी composition में use कर सकते हो, right? If it is an aeroplane, then you can mention aeroplane is one of them, and it is a means of air transport. Similar is the case with ship or a boat. So it has capacity to carry many passengers at one time. एक बस में बहुत सारे passengers आ सकते हैं. Who are passengers? Who can tell me what is the meaning of passenger?
Ma'am, ma'am, can I?
Yes, yes. Yes, Vanshika, tell me.
Can I?
Your voice is not audible, Vanshika.
People. मैम जो people buses में बैठ के पैसेंजर
Okay, the people who travel, जो लोग travel करते हैं using that particular vehicle, they are called the passengers. Passengers वो होते हैं जो travel करते हैं, right?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Yes, please wait. Okay, so I hope my screen is visible to you all. So passengers means people who travel. जो लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं एक व्हीकल के थ्रू, दे आर कॉल्ड पैसेंजर्स. जो लोग बस में बैठते हैं उनको भी पैसेंजर्स कहते हैं. जो ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करते हैं दे आर ऑल्सो नोन एज पैसेंजर्स. जो एरोप्लेन में बैठते हैं दे आर ऑल्सो नोन एज पैसेंजर्स. ठीक है, जब हम कोई व्हीकल यूज करके ट्रैवल करते हैं देन वी आर नोन एज पैसेंजर्स. जो भी ट्रैवल करेगा उसको पैसेंजर कहा जाएगा. So a bus has capacity to carry many passengers at one time. एक टाइम में बहुत सारे passengers carry कर सकती है बस. It can be used to pick and drop school going children also. So buses को हम बच्चों को pick up करने के लिए, उनको drop करने के लिए भी use करते हैं. Now what is the meaning of pick and drop? Pick and drop means उनको उनकी जगह से उठाना and वापिस उनको उनके घर छोड़ना after the school gets over. Right? Now number 5 is diesel is used as a fuel to run a bus. कोई भी व्हीकल होगा इट नीड्स अ फ्यूल टू रन. इवन अगर आप अपनी खुद की बॉडी की भी बात करो, our body cannot survive without having water and food. We need water, food and air to survive, otherwise we will die, right? Similarly a machine or a vehicle, it also needs a fuel. उसको भी fuel चाहिए रन करने के लिए. So if in case of bike, a bike uses petrol, a car also uses petrol or diesel, and a bus uses diesel. Similarly trains and aeroplanes, they also have special fuels for them through which they run. Okay, so in case of bus it is diesel. So you must remember the spelling of diesel because it can be used many a times. DIESEL, diesel. Bus can be used for travel long and short distances both. Now through a bus you can travel to long distances also, to short distances also. चाहे आपको कहीं सिटी से बाहर जाना है या आपको लोकल ही ट्रैवल करना है. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ लोकल? लोकल मींस आप अपने शहर में ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, दैट्स बीइंग लोकल, राइट? सो दैट इज कॉल्ड शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस. So a bus can be used to travel long distances as well as short distances, but aeroplanes cannot be used to travel short distances, right? एरोप्लेन थोड़ी ना यूज करोगे कि चलो मैं फगवाड़ा में रह रही हूँ और मुझे अर्बन एस्टेट से गौशाला रोड पे जाना तो मैं एरोप्लेन से जाऊंगी. ऐसे कर सकते हैं? ऐसे नहीं कर सकते ना. So to travel local, we need a small vehicle which can run. Through aeroplanes, we can travel only to longer distances. Okay. Bus service can be provided by public or private owners. जो bus service होती है इसको कौन provide करते हैं? या तो public owners होते हैं या फिर private owners होते हैं. Now what is the meaning of public owners? Public owners means those bus services which are funded by the government. जिनको गवर्नमेंट की ऑथराइजेशन होती है, जो गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से चलाई जाती है, दे आर कॉल्ड द पब्लिक बसेस. एंड जो बस नॉर्मल पीपल की द्वारा चलाई जाती है, लाइक इफ फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम अ प्राइवेट ओनर, मैंने अपनी ट्रांसपोर्ट कंपनी स्टार्ट की है, मैंने अपनी बसेस जो है उनमें फंडिंग की है, मैंने अपनी बसेस खरीदी है, उनमें अब लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं. सो आई विल बिकम अ प्राइवेट ओनर. I'm not part of a government, right? I'm not part of the government. So जो buses government के through चलाई जाती है, they are public sector buses, उनको हम public owned buses कहते हैं. And जो private owners चलाते हैं, जैसे हम हमारे जैसे लोग जिनका government से कोई connection नहीं है, they are run by private owners. So a conductor and driver are needed to run the bus smoothly. एक बस की स्मूथ रनिंग के लिए, स्मूथ एग्जीक्यूशन के लिए what do we need? We need a conductor and a driver. Driver is the person who drives the bus and a conductor is the person who handles the other things related to the bus, like where the bus will stop, bus अपना next stoppage कहाँ लेगी, how many people are there in the bus, उसका count किसके पास रहेगा, it will be with the conductor, द कंडक्टर नोज किसने टिकट परचेज की है, किसने टिकट परचेज नहीं की है. ही नोज किसको बैलेंस रिटर्न करना है या नहीं. ही नोज कौन से पैसेंजर को कहाँ पे उतारना है. So he knows all the things related to the bus. So we need a conductor and a driver. In case there is a dispute in the bus में अगर दो passengers लड़ पड़ते हैं, then who will handle it? The conductor will handle it. Okay? तो जो किराया होता है देने का, बस में ट्रैवल करने के लिए जो किराया होता है, जो पैसे हम देते हैं, what is that called? That is called a fare. People pay fare. People pay fare to travel in a bus. FARE. ठीक है, जो हम भाड़ा देते हैं, जो हम पैसे देते हैं to purchase the ticket of a bus, it is called fare. FARE, fare. Now the next one is number 9. Bus is the safest and user friendly means of transport. ठीक है, बहुत ही यूजर फ्रेंडली है. यूजर फ्रेंडली मीन्स जो इसको यूज करता है उसके लिए यूज करने में आसान होती है. यूजर फ्रेंडली, यूज करने वाले के लिए आसान होती है. So when you travel in a bus, is it difficult to travel? It is very simple. Just purchase a ticket and sit in it. Sit inside it and then you can travel. It is very simple to travel through a bus. And it is safe also. कोई खतरा नहीं होता है आपको इसमें, safe होती है. We should keep the bus neat and clean while traveling. So whenever we travel, we should make sure that we do not litter the garbage here and there. Okay, garbage को इधर उधर फेंकना, that is called littering it. Okay, so we should not litter, LITTER. We should not litter the garbage here and there. Whether it is a bus or it is a train or it is an aeroplane, we need to keep all the vehicles neat and clean, so that it is not difficult for the other people to travel. ठीक है, मान लो अगर हम ट्रैवल कर रहे थे, हमने मूंगफली खाई और छिलके बस में फेंक दिए. Now the next person who will board the bus. Board the bus means जो बस पे चढ़ेगा, who will board the bus, उसको कितनी गंदगी मिलेगी वहां पर. Okay, so we should not do like this. We should not litter the garbage here and there in the bus, so that it feels hygienic to travel in it. कि हमें hygienic लगे वहां travel करने के लिए. Right? Now, if I talk about a bike, okay, so which lines can you speak about a bike? Bike as a means of transport. It's your turn now. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Okay, now tell me, those who want to speak some lines about a bike as a means of transport, they are most welcome. I want you all to participate in this. Okay, Sargun wants to speak. Yes, Sargun.
There are many means of transport. One of them is bike. A bike uses diesel to run.
Okay. Generally, a bike uses petrol to run. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Any other sentence, Sargun?
It is a land transport.
It is a, देखो जब हमने बोलना है ना, it is a means of land transport. It is a land transport नहीं, it is a means of land transport. This should be the line. This is for everybody, not just for Sargun. सभी बच्चों के लिए है ये. A bike is a means of land transport. An aeroplane is a means of air transport. ये means of जरूर लगाना है आपने. Okay? Carry on, Sargun.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, thanks a lot. Now, anybody else would like to say some more lines about a bike as a means of transport?
Mimi.
Please speak your name, bete. Don't say me. Rehan. Yes, Rehan.
मैम बाइक पे बोलना है.
Yes, bete.
The bike is means of land transport.
Mm-hmm.
It carries passengers.
Okay.
It has two wheels.
It helps to it helps to
Ma'am, it has two wheels.
it has two wheels, okay, or two tires, right? Very good, Rehan.
Ma'am, can I? It use petrol to run.
Can I?
Okay, it uses petrol to run. Beta, please write in the chat box if you want to speak. Please write in the chat box. Okay, Harshita, please speak it.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Harshita. Please carry on.
There are many vehicles. One of them is a motorcycle. It can carry 2 or 3 people only.